how I remove these glass lampshades in an RV. I didn't want to cut the electric wires, and the lampshade wouldn't come off with that silver piece. So I broke the glass because these old ones were going to be tossed. They didn't fit the look for the new design in this RV remodel. For the new lampshades, I chose this planter from IKEA. It was only $10. It's lightweight, made out of wicker, and they were going over LED lights that don't get as hot as regular light bulbs. This option was budget friendly, and I didn't have to replace the entire fixture. For installation, I cut an X on the top of the lampshade, and then I cut holes in the middle of the X. The hole in the plastic is smaller than the wicker, so that the black and white pieces will hold it in place. First, I squeezed it over the silver piece. The lampshade was bendable because of the X that I cut into it earlier. This worked perfectly without cutting any wires. And then I squeezed the white bottom piece into the lampshade so that it rests on top of the silver piece. Next, I screwed the white and the black piece together like a regular lampshade. It really was that simple. So now when the RV is in transport, these shades are much lighter and they won't break because they're not glass. No electric work and a budget-friendly solution. Would you do it this way? Or would you replace the entire fixture? Let me know in the comments.